welcome back to my channel, and I absolutely love you guys. I was missing saying this so much. I'm back and I'll be consistent now. So today we'll be reviewing Skinkraft skincare products. By the end of the video, what will you know? You will know, number one, is this product worth buying? Number two, will this product help me with my acne? Number three, is this product making my skin red or making it dry? I'm gonna answer all the questions that you have, and very honestly through my videos. So just get glued to the next part.
So as you can see that I am currently unboxing the Skinkraft package. It's clearly written that it is customized skincare.
These guys have put in a lot of efforts for everyone who's buying these products, because they are customizing it not according to, like, generally you have sensitive skin, dry skin, normal to dry.
Number one is cleanser, and then is a moisturizer spray, and then there is a skin spot control. It's called active otherwise, but it's like a cream that you can apply on your dark spots.
As you've seen how this product has kind of helped me a lot in many ways, and I would recommend this to people who have acne prone skin. Whenever I change the face products that I use, it kind of gives me redness and sometimes acne. So one thing I really want to tell you guys is, using any product will not magically make your skin amazing. You have to have good routine, lots of water, stay hydrated, and these are really basic things with everybody is saying out there. So I have been dealing with PCOS, and it is very difficult to not have acne and not have period pain or period issues, irregularity. I've kind of changed my diets, kind of changed my routine, though the sleep cycle remains really bad, but then I'm kind of changing that as well. If you want acne out of your life, then you must use a certain product and also keep changing your lifestyle. So I would recommend, there's no magic product in the market. You have to keep using it. You have to be consistent. If you don't like it, stop using it there and then. Don't keep on dragging, with, oh, okay, now I'll feel better. No, just take 1 month's time, kind of review it, keep applying it, be consistent, wash your face, use a toner, and basic things. Do those basic things, take care of your skin, and you will feel fabulous. I promise you myself. You can see I haven't applied any foundation, nothing at all on my face. It's just so a lip plumper and kajal, that's all. The motive behind this is I want to show honesty to my people, to my viewers, that this is how my skin looks right now. Let me just give you a close-up of this. This is how my skin looks, and this is how I used to look. So you see this, and then you see this, what I look right now. So there's a lot of difference in my skin. It kind of is glowing now. It's better. It's very dry. It has a few acne on my forehead and on my chin area, which you can see, but I would say it has improved over time. And I would recommend Skinkraft to everyone out there who is having acne prone skin. I don't know about oily skin because I don't have an oily skin. I have a dry skin. I have acne prone skin, so I can speak about that. Girls out there, you can use this for acne, I am damn sure. I don't know about others, but for me it really works. Whenever you're filling in the questionnaire of customization, just customize it according to your skin. Don't fill in something which is wrong. If you have oily skin, if you have, it asks various questions. So be honest with those questions, and I'm damn sure you will love the product. I hope it works for you. And for everyone out there, acne prone, yes, go get them. Bye guys, take care. Do like my channel, subscribe to YouTube, get on my glitter, and please don't forget to comment down below. I am waiting for your feedback, and
Love you guys.